Okay guys, as you can see, this is the whole fish, and now we are going to clean the fish. First, you must push a bit on the top of fish, then start to cut from the tail until the head. The second step, we must pull out the guts together with the gills. Then, wash under the running water. This is a drowned fish. Now, I'll show you how to make fish fillet without skin. Begin with here, then start cutting up this part towards the tail of the fish. Okay guys, make sure you follow the bone. Then, cut off this fillet from the fish. Okay, this is a fish and this is a fillet of fish. Next step, hold your knife at 45 degrees and start remove the skin from this tail part. Okay, you got the fillet, and now you need to trim this excess part. Next, I'll show you filleting fish with skin. Okay, for the fillet with skin, first we must remove the scale, and then just follow the previous step as been shown before. Okay, so this is fish fillet with skin, and this one is fish fillet without skin. Same like before, we're using the ground fish to make the butterfly cuts. Okay, we start with the vent part. Then, just follow the bone and cut off the pin bone. So, we finish with this part, then we go to the other side. Just do the same step. Cut this part and take out the backbone from the fish. Finish, this is a butterfly cut. Alright, now this is time for steak cut. It is very simple, only cross-section cut. See, here are the steak cut. Well, today we have learned different types of fish cut, which are steak, butterfly, and two types of fillet, with skin and without skin.